Hi Comox Valley, good morning. It's December and we just got a fresh trade-in. It's a beautiful trade-in we just got. It's a 2022 Kona. Price is 26,899. All-wheel drive. Super low kilometers. Got all-season tires. Keyless entry. No accident, one owner only. Bought it here, serviced here. Lady driven, sold this car to us and moved out of the country. The back space, all weather mats. Spare which is never used. Fresh trade-in. See the tires, about 70-80% left. Back seats full flat. She did install some seat covers. It's got only 29,000 kilometers. Heated seats, steering wheel, backup camera. And it also comes with, it's a certified pre-owned, so it's 248 bi-weekly and warranties, wrap warranty covered until December 2031. If you want to take it for a drive, come see Jazz at Comox Valley Hyundai. Thank you.